the fourth player, this is alternate po. Up, down, up, down. Okay? Come on, continue guys. And until the last person who holds the balloon, you will be the first one to perform. So padaanin po natin sila. Let's give them a path. Okay? Manang, pakita na po kayo, sir. Pakita na. Stay, put na po kayo dyan. Now, I want you to put the balloon between in your legs po in here. Make it tight na hindi siya mahulog. Okay, ganyan po. Now, I want you to put your both hands in your underarm. Shwada? Okay. Like this. Naka-chicken wings po yung kamay nyo. Okay. And you're going to turn around. Run as fast as you can. Turn around in the chair. Na naka-chicken wings yung kamay nyo. Just like this din po. Ganito po siya. Andyan yung balloon, right? Now you're going to run as fast as you can and turning around the chair. Na naka-chicken wings yung kamay nyo. Ganito lang po. Yan. Turn around the chair. After you turn around the chair, put the balloon on the chair. Okay. After that one, this is what we call kagat-labi, and you must do this one. Both hands must be at the waistline.
Sarah.
Now, close your eyes. Close your eyes. And do the kagat-labi like this. And don't forget to shake 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay? After that one, grab the balloon. Go back to your line. Run. And put the balloon again. Down, up, until. And mom in the front will be the last to perform. Okay? Kung sino ang nasa harap, sila ang pinakalat sa mag-perform. Ready na? Okay. But before that, stay back at the back. Sir, ma'am, stay at the back. Ipasa muna yung balloon sa harap kasi papasa pa po yan sa likod. Now, let's have some agreement, okay? For those team na matatalo po, may punishment po sila. So, dapat galingan nyo. Okay? Wala